Back we go, doing a lot of videos today. It's almost closing time in the market. It is Tuesday, March 9th. Let's check out NEO. Now, this is part of the tech stocks. The EV stocks have been on fire. Fire. Float 388 million. Institutions on 38%, 57 billion market cap. January 29th, Morgan Stanley overweight 33 to 80. What else do we got here? Limited Designs manufacturer sells electric vehicles. People's Republic, China, Hong Kong, United States, United Kingdom, Germany. Now, you see in this chart, this is called, people don't know this is a broadening wedge. See the wedge goes up here and goes down here. So your space was tighter to wide. That means you get big moves up and down. So on this move here, you had 10, to 15. This is back in July. Went to 20. Next move up 25, all the way to 55. Pulled back right to this 40 line. Then another takeoff to 65 plus. And then we sort of like double top. We couldn't get over here. Now, this is the move here, this big drop. This candle here, I hate this. TC2000. See, they put a little misprint in. It's a goofy candle. It doesn't belong there. It's just an error. So you had a wash down. This is the first big green candle. That tells me, excuse me, that this move is over to the downside. When you have a move like this, it could have been a little green candle. It's very large. I think the bottom is in right here at 35. If we retrace, let's see here. If you go here to here, the retracement. Where's the retracement level? 23. We went, here's 50%. To this level, we went all the way down. We went down pretty far at that point. So we'll see if that holds. And, when you've seen a wash down like this, see this pull back a little bit. This was further. Finviz has a trend line from November like this. So they have a line going this way. And they have a line going up. So they have a few different lines. Excuse me. They don't have a trend line this far. But when you see this now, the next move, I think we're going to keep climbing now. At least 45, maybe 50. Then maybe we come back. So we could do this and back and forth before a move up. Not necessarily could get, straight up. It could come back and forth. We'll see on that how this goes. But that's a good sign. This big candle is a very much, looks like, a bottom hammer candle. Like it's in right now, the bottom. And draw your lines right here. See this? When you draw this, that's a stochastic. You're up and down the wave. And eventually you're going to break that level. So, I like this long, and we'll see what happens here. AMD. 1.19 billion float, 78% institutional ownership, 88 billion market cap. Outperformed January 27th, 110 to 120. Cohen. This is beaten down too. This is semiconductors worldwide, AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. This is the line too. This is what I had right here. You can take this line out. And you have a topping line right here. Right here at 98. And this goes across right here. You could actually put this at 90 or 74. Put this at 98. Now, what do you see here? Once this ran up July, you're back and forth. This went to 98, double top here. You tried to bounce. See this? Tried to bounce, and we came back down. Now, you have a clear line here to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 7 plus times. It's held right below 75, and look at it again. So I like this as a bottom, too. I think the bottom's in this. I'm not 100% certain, but look at this. That's very important hold there. If not, you have a gap. This could get a 70. All right, we're coming back up. And if we do, we'll look for 82, 84. You're at a 20 stochastics. Look every time you've been low. Buy. And this is because the stock's in an uptrend. If we're in a downtrend, I wouldn't be so sure to buy here. But every time, buy, buy. So, look for 80, 84 plus if we can reach this 1320 EMA, and then look for this to hold right here. Right here's your bottom, this low of 73.15 on AMD. It's pretty solid. CCIV, I like this too. Been coughing a lot. I don't know if it's my asthma. I hope I have the coronavirus. Just felt the last few weeks like very tired. Maybe I do have it. We know CCIV, Churchill Capital is the fifth. Likely create shareholder value, investors place. Electric vehicle gold rush. A look at EV startups going public. That was the fifth. No news recently. And their merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, part of the SPACs. So this move up 10, 24. Look at this back in January. We kept going all the way to 60 plus, high of 64. And here's the gap, came down. Where we're trying to hold now. It looks like this level right at 23.6 retracement level. Fibonacci. We're dead and buried here. Look at this on stochastics. You're at 759, just flat. Trying to come up a little bit. This could be a little bit of basing. If we go up, I love this to 30. 35, 45. We'll see how far into the gap this goes. This is a strong pullback. Your weekly still diving deep. It didn't cross over yet. There's the monthly. Here's the 4 hour. Move up. Sideways now. That's always good when you see sideways action. 2 hour. Look how this held. This 2 hour. Here's the 1 hour. Up. Big gap. And then we're going down like this, flat and sideways. That's a really good sign. When you see this, unless we do this, then it goes down again. Here's the 30-minute. So that's a big move sideways right now. I like this stacking. Could another move happen? Yes, anything's possible. We'll see. Basically, if these moves are in, all these moves that ran up and are diving deep, is this, the correction's over now? At least sideways, then we'll go up, or are we going to go up? That's very hard to say exactly, but it looks better each day. Because when you have this, and then these red candles, like right now, you're holding pretty tight. As the market is now closed, S&P was up 54, Dow Jones plus 29, NASDAQ plus 464. So I do like this long now. This will fill some part of this. What goes up must come down, and when it's down like this, it's not going to stay buried. This is oversold. That's when you buy. Oversold. It's just a matter of, is this the bottom? All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Cayman Trades. Smash the like button. Twitter, Mike J Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Twits, Mike Cayman Trades. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Did I say that? What else do I have? Oh, TikTok, Mike Frank II. Please subscribe to the channel. Leave comments, anything about the tickers, any information you might have, any thoughts. It always helps. That's it. Peace.